In this video, we will learn about a special type of playlist in PySignage called advertisement playlist and its application. As the name suggests, this playlist is used to insert desired content in between a regular playlist at specified intervals. Advertisement playlist is a special type of playlist which has some unique settings, controls or behaviors when compared to a regular playlist. Though any content can be inserted via this feature, it is named advertisement playlist as the major application of this playlist is to insert advertisements periodically between an ongoing display. We will take a simple restaurant menu display as use case, and here we will insert adverts on screen periodically in between the menu display. First, login. In our account we have a group called menu grp in which we have screens running menus. If you see inside the group, it has a single playlist named myResMenu as default playlist which runs throughout the day. Check our previous videos for more information on group feature in PySignage and creating and deploying playlists in PySignage. Link is provided in the description below. Similarly, we are not scheduling multiple playlists to play at specific times or TV off feature here. Do check the previous video for creating a playlist with such features. Link to the video is given in the description below. The demo implemented here has a simple use case, but the procedure shown here can be implemented in all custom scenarios. So as said, we have a group named menu grp running a playlist named myResMenu. Now the task is to insert adverts periodically between this myResMenu playlist once every 5 minutes, display the advert for 30 seconds and then revert back to the menu playlist, that is myResMenu playlist. For this, first let us create an advertisement playlist that contains required advertisement content. As said above, advertisement playlist is just a variation of regular playlist, and initial steps for creating it is similar to creating a new regular playlist. We will create a new playlist named AdvertPL. One important thing to note is that while creating an advert playlist, make sure the layout of the advert playlist is same as the scheduled regular playlist of the group in between which you intend to insert these advertisements. Scheduling together regular and advert playlist with different layouts may give unpredictable result. You can see that our playlist myResMenu, which is deployed as default playlist in the group menu grp, is in layout 1. So we will create our advert playlist, that is AdvertPL, in layout 1. Once the layout selection is done, let us add assets to this playlist. We will select one video to be part of this advertising playlist. The time will be the length of the video. You can reduce it if you don't want the full video to be displayed. Similarly, you can choose image assets to be part of this playlist. We will select 2 image assets and give them a time of 15 seconds for display. We can even choose a message asset to be part of this playlist. We have selected these different types of assets to clarify that advertising playlist is just like regular playlist except for few settings. Please note that assets we have selected here are mere placeholder assets added just for demonstration purpose. Once asset selection is done, click on settings at the top of the page. A pop-up page opens. Here the first option is to make this as advert playlist. Select it. We will explore the other options in a separate video. Once you select make this advert playlist, you can see further 2 options. One option is to get control of how many assets from your advert playlist should be displayed in every cycle. In our case, you can see our advert playlist has 4 assets. So you can choose any number between 1 to 4. If you choose to, the first 2 assets will be displayed in the first instance of advert display and the remaining 2 assets in the next. Based on the number entered here, number of assets displayed in an instance is decided, and all the assets in the playlist will be covered cyclically in successive instances of display. Next, you have to enter the time intervals at which these adverts have to be displayed. The entry is in seconds. Above we have said that we need the adverts to be displayed every 5 minutes. So if we enter 300 seconds here, the advert playlist will be displayed after every 5 minutes of scheduled regular playlist display. Enter the time interval based on your need. Next option is the one which enables you to limit the advert display to your side zones and bottom zones. You get the most of this option when your display is set in multi-zone layout. Let us say you have layout 2A display as shown on screen. You can keep the main zone of this playlist intact and just display advertising content in the side zone by using the set option. Similar setup can be created for a 3-zone layout as well. Again, for this kind of advert insertion, make sure you create your advert playlist in the same layout as regular playlist. Also, when creating advert playlist only to be displayed in side zone and bottom zone, you can choose some dummy asset for main zone. The advert playlist will be displayed only in the side zone as per selected interval and asset count per instance. The main zone content of the advertisement playlist will be ignored and the display will continue showing the main zone from regular playlist. Here the option is irrelevant to us as our playlist is in layout 1. Hence we will not choose the option. Leave the rest of the entries as it is. We will explore them in a separate video. Scroll down and save. Your advert playlist is ready. Now if you see at the top in settings, you can see the label advert displayed. Similarly, in the playlist page, there will be advert playlist written in front of the name of the playlist. Now go to the group in which you want to insert this advertising playlist. We already have a group named Menu GRP running a playlist called MyRS Menu. In between this playlist, we need to insert our adverts. So click on Schedule Additional Playlist. We have already seen in previous video how to add multiple playlists where each playlist is scheduled to be played at different time of the day. The process is similar. It is just that we are adding an advert playlist instead of a regular playlist. From the drop down menu, select the advert playlist we created to be inserted between the regular display. If we deploy this setup as it is right now, we will get an output where our regular playlist, in our case MyRS Menu, is played throughout the day, and in between this display every 5 minutes, 2 assets from the advert playlist is displayed. So the most basic execution of advert playlist feature is as simple as this. Now let us see some facts on how the ad asset insertion happens. In our case, we are inserting ads every 5 minutes. But let us say we have an asset in our regular playlist, any kind of asset that has a display time set to 10 minutes, that is 600 seconds. Now the advert playlist will not interrupt the display of this asset at 5 minutes. The regular playlist asset will complete its display time of 10 minutes. After this completion and before the beginning of next asset, scheduled contents from advert playlist will be inserted. So, though your given interval for advertisement playlist display is 5 minutes, this time frame will not necessarily be absolute. As said above, an asset from regular playlist will not be interrupted in between display. But this behavior can be modified only in case where the regular playlist asset is a video. When the regular playlist asset being displayed happens to be a video asset, we have an option to pause the video display, insert contents from advert playlist, and then resume the display of video asset from regular playlist we have paused. For this to be set up, go to the settings section in the group in the top right corner. In the pop-up page that opens, if you scroll down, you can see break video option. Say you have a 30-minute long video as an asset in your regular playlist, and we have entered break video after 300 seconds here. Now, after every 5 minutes of video playing, the video is paused and the player checks whether any advert playlist is waiting in queue to be displayed. If an advert playlist is in queue, it is displayed right there. Once the advert playlist completes its display as per its setting, the regular playlist video asset resumes its display from the point where it was paused. Meanwhile, if any advert playlist is not in queue during the check, the video will resume display, and at the next interval, the check for queued advert playlist happens again. This cycle happens throughout the video display. Thus, a long video asset can be paused multiple times to insert ads in between. To repeat again, this pause feature works only in case of video assets and not for other type of assets. For all other assets, the advert playlist will have to wait till regular playlist asset completes its display. The other important feature available is scheduling of advert playlist. We have already seen in previous video how we use the scheduling feature to limit the playlist display to particular times. The same thing can be done with advert playlists. We can schedule the advert playlist like a regular playlist. Just like regular playlist, You have all the scheduling options available for advert playlist as well. You can get more value out of your display using this advert playlist feature. Feel free to reach us at info@pysignage.com for any further queries.